Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to add MusicBot to Discord in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your Discord. Now go to Server Settings. Now click on App Directory. Now search for GreenBot. Click on it. Now click on Add App. Press on Continue. Now click on Authorize. Check I am human. Now close it. Now go to your text option. Now write here /play. Now select it. Now write your favorite song. Now search for it. So this is how you can add music to Discord in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.